Amazon Kids toys.
Hello guys, I'm gonna be showing you the magnetic tiles marble run. It's ages 3+ and it has 148 piece set. I'm gonna be opening it. It comes as a bag. This is so cool. These are the pieces. There's blue, purple, and yellow. Once you're done playing, you can put them in here so you don't lose them. That's the bag, and these are the blocks where you like stick them. They're like really sticky, but you can still get them off. This is the manual. It tells you what shape you need to put it in.
This here like tells you like which parts you're gonna need for each shape. So if you want to do this like flamingo-like shape, these are the parts that you want. And this is like how hard it is. Like the two stars is not too hard, I guess. But let's see. Oh, 4 stars is like really hard. So for this shape, you will need all of these. So here we gathered all the items that we need, 9 of these. Like has like this little shaping, 2 of these, and 4 of these. Let's build it. You know how to build it?
Yes.
Okay.
We got it.
Where?
Down here.
Okay. Oh, awesome. What about the marbles?
Yeah. So
They can just like slide.
it also comes with these stickers that you could put on.
Those are like signs.